Welcome back to She Speaks AI, your go-to channel for all things AI and DIY entrepreneurship. Today, we are diving into the creative world of fonts in Canva. If you've ever felt limited by the default fonts, this video is for you. I'll be showing you how to upload your own fonts to Canva and where to find an endless supply of unique, stylish fonts to make your project stand out. Whether you're designing for business or personal use, this tip will take your creations to the next level. So, let's get started and unleash your creativity. Don't miss out on more incredible insights and techniques from the She Speaks AI channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the newest AI tools, passive income strategies, and products. Let's thrive together.
Many people don't know that you're not limited to the fonts that are within Canva. You can go purchase your fonts or get some free fonts that you can use, and you can upload those to Canva. So one of the places that I love to come into is Creative Fabrica. So I come to Creative Fabrica and they have tons of fonts. They have more fonts than you ever want to even realize, okay? And anyone that makes a font comes to Creative Fabrica, and they put them for sale here. Okay, so now you can see I am on creativefabrica.com, and you can see here that there are tons of designer bundles here. And then, if I just wanted to just do a search for fonts, and let's see here, just search for font. I am going to come up with a bunch of different types of fonts that I can upload into Canva. Let's go ahead and just choose this one right here. I'm going to show you how to upload it. So now I'm going to choose this one just because I kind of like it. I had one that I already downloaded, but we'll just use this one. And this is one. Yeah, this is one font, I believe. So now I can just click download. And the reason why I can do that is because I have a subscription. So you pay $47 for the full 12 months. And then everything that you download, I haven't run across anything that I needed to download that was not included in that. Okay. Everything has been included. So all you see, all these things with check marks, it means that I can include it. So I highly recommend, because in Creative Fabrica, you can do more than just download fonts. I mean, they have so much in here that it is just ridiculous. You can just get lost in here. So I recommend do that. There'll be a link in the description for Creative Fabrica, and use my link to go ahead and purchase, or even if you just sign up, because there's a lot of things that are in Creative Fabrica that you can do that are free. So even if you just do the freebie kind of thing, click on my link in the description, and it'll take you right over to Creative Fabrica. All right, so now back to how do I upload it. So I just clicked on it, and then it takes me over to the download page. And no matter where I am, I can follow the designer. So I can follow the designer here, but I'm just going to go ahead and download it. Now, I want you to just double check and make sure before you do anything anywhere, really, that you have commercial use. So this is commercial and full print on demand usage allowed. So there's no restrictions on that. And you can click on the link, because it's a hyperlink, and find out more about that. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. Now, if you download a bundle, and you saw it go over here into the corner. Now, if you download a bundle, then you want to make sure that you unzip the bundle. Unzipping the bundle will give you access to the files, and you can only upload them one at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's taking its time to go, but that's okay. Close out that window. And let me close out that one. All right, so it's uploading or downloading onto my computer. Now, I'm going to go over to Canva just to begin to show you how to do this in Canva. Now, you will need to start to create a design. You can only upload fonts from a design. Okay, just checking on my progress there. from a design. So there's nowhere in here. It used to be where you didn't need to do that. You didn't need to be in anything in order to upload, but it's not like that anymore. So yeah, so now it's finished downloading and I do have to extract it. So I'm extracting that, but you can't see it. Just know that you'll have to extract because it comes over as a zip file. Now, so I have to create a design. So I'm going to go ahead and create a design. And let's just pick a portrait, 8.5 by 11. So not only do I have to have the sheet already there, I have to have a text box. So I'm going to go ahead and click text and put the heading in there. Now that I have heading there, a text box with some words, you see it has enabled all of this up here because that wasn't there before. Now, if I drop down the font list here, then you'll see at the very bottom, upload a font. So when I click on upload a font, now you see these are the two ones that I've downloaded today. This is the one that I just downloaded. So I'm just going to double click that. And we're waiting for my computer to respond. No items match my search. Why not? Well, I've never had that happen. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to the urban graffiti one because that's the one that I just downloaded today. I'm going to go back and look at that one, but I don't want to waste your time doing that. So let's just go to urban graffiti and on there, it doesn't matter if I click open, it's going to take me to all of the fonts. So these were well, these are not even all of them. They're just broken down. So let's say that I choose Urban Rebel. That was one that was on there that I like. I opened it up and there's 4 types here. So I can choose them all and then I can click on open. And then I say, yes, upload. And so now it's uploading those. These fonts might be the same. Select the ones you want to upload. So now the fonts are uploaded and where you will see the fonts are on this side here. So here's my uploaded fonts here. So I've uploaded these and here are the 2 that I just uploaded. So now let me just make this bigger. I just changed that because this is Urban Rebel, whatever it says, I can barely read it. And so that's changed that to that. Now, if I want to, I can change that to that one. All right. I can maybe do a plus, and then I can do this one. And then now I can begin to customize, right? I can begin to customize it and just do different things to make my design pop. Right? All right. And so that's me using 2 of them together. Okay. So which font was this? This was, go back to the beginning. So now it doesn't want to show. Now it doesn't want to show. I went to it twice and it was here and now it's not. Let me try just refreshing the page because sometimes that works. Anyway, it was here. So I just downloaded it. And you'll see as you continue to go down the page, you might come to the end, you just wait a little bit and it will load up some more things here. So you can see like that's a font, the chubby font. This is the one, Urban Graffiti. It says sale $8. And that's what I mean, sale $8. But you get a whole lot of fonts, 31 fonts here for that $8. But it is certainly better to be able to have the full use of Creative Fabrica and just get the $47 for the year, or however much it is for the year, $50. I think I pay $50 for the year. Anyway, so that is how you upload a font into Canva. So you're not subject to just use the fonts that are given here if you don't like any of those that are there, or if you have some concern about using Canva fonts in for something that you want to put on the market for commercial use. Don't even worry about it. Come over to Creative Fabrica and find your fonts. Let me know what questions you have in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel or this video, however you're viewing this. And until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.